Hello, this is Ebrahim, and in this demo I'm going to explain how to create invoice verification automatically, or in SAP language it will be called Evaluated Receipt Setup. The procure to pay cycle starts with PR, then we send to the vendor PO, purchase order, then the vendor send the goods and we are call this step GR, goods receipt. Then the last step, the vendor will send the invoice and we call it the invoice verification or invoice receipt step. Our cycle is similar to the normal procure to pay cycle, but the only difference is that the vendor will not send the invoice. Instead of that, according to the PO and the price and also the delivery costs and everything in the PO, we will make the invoice automatically. Then send the invoice to the vendor using evaluated receipt settlement function. So we have to divide this demo to two parts. In the first part, we have to make a prerequisite configuration, some in the vendor master data and info record, and the rest in escrow transactions. And the second part will be the business process itself. So let's begin in the first part. We have to go to edit the vendor master data through PP transaction. So we have to enter the vendor number, double click. Then we have to choose the purchasing organization role. Then go to purchasing. Okay. In the purchasing data tab, okay, we have to apply four things. The first one, the payment term. In order to use this function and also to generate the invoice verification automatically, we have to determine the payment terms on company code level and also purchasing organization level. So the second thing is goods receipt based invoice verification indicator. Okay, you'll find also in this tab. So the third checkbox is automatic evaluated GR-Settlement Return items. It will be here. That's it. And the last indicator is automatic evaluated GR settlement delivery. That's it. After this, we have to save. Then the next step, we have to update the info record from ME12, vendor, material, purchasing organization, plant, then enter. We have to go purchasing organization data 1. We have to check box GR-based evaluation and also enter the tax code. Then save. After this, we have to make the PO normally, the normal cycle from ME21N, enter the vendor, purchasing organization, purchasing group, company code, and enter. The material number, also the quantity, the plant. Already entered. Maybe there is a problem. Yes. Okay. So that's it. We have to check and ensure that the PO already have the indicators set, GR-based evaluation, and also ERS, evaluation receipt settlement, and also the tax code came from the info record. After we ensure that the data already set correctly, we have to save, and our PO 104. Then we go to goods receipt. So now the vendor have sent the goods, okay, and we have to right now to make the goods receipt movement. So goods receipt PO 104, movement type 101, and enter. Okay, everything is okay. Here, storage location, and also this production. Okay, okay, so check. Everything is okay. Post. So now we have posted the goods receipt. And the next step is the main difference between the normal cycle and the automated cycle. So we have to run the following program through T-code SE38. Yes. You can access this program from SE38 as we did, or you can access it directly from T-code MRRF. In this screen, you can find all invoices that's ready to be posted automatically. So first we have to choose company code and plant and our vendor. After this, there is this option. You can generate or you can post the vendor invoice per supplier or per purchase order or per purchase order item or per delivery document service entry. So you are going to choose the second choice, and this test run checkbox, we can use it in the first time, and after this we can run it productively. This checkbox, the first configuration that we have to do through is pro transaction. So in order to also include the planned delivery costs in our invoice, we have to do some configuration. So we can go to this pro, then SAP preference IMG, then choose material management, then logistics, invoice verification, then evaluated receipt settlement, then specify automatic settlement of planned delivery costs. Then press new entries, choose your company code, purchase organization, and your vendor. Here you can activate the automatic delivery cost settlement using this checkbox. You can say, go on back. And here, that's it. We can execute this transaction. Here you will find the GR document and also the BO document. And in the productive run, you will find here the FI document, the accounting document. Then going back. Now I'm going to remove the checkbox of this run, then execute again. Normally you will find here, okay, the accounting document in this column, but we are facing right now this error. As I mentioned in the beginning of this demo, in the last step, that we have to send our invoice to the vendor. And in order to do that, it has to be configured in the system with the help of your ABAP team to prepare the layout first. Then you can use the help of your business team in order to be able to send the invoice from SAP to the vendor email directly. That's the first solution. But I will go with the second one by deactivating this message. So in order to deactivate this message, you can go in configuration under logistic invoice verification, you can open define attributes or system messages. Choose the first one. Then you have to look for message number 446. Now we can't find it, so we have to add it. We want to switch off this message, so we have to choose dash. That's it. Enter. Settlement no message was found for partner. Okay, save. Go back again. This program can be run in foreground and in background job. So I will run it first in foreground. So for this document, I'll run it in foreground, and the other one I'll run it in background. So choose the GR document, copy the number, back again. I'll remove the vendor number and enter here the goods received document, and uncheck the test run checkbox. Then execute. Here we will find the FI document. If we press here, that's the entry, and it's correct. Then go back, and that's the foreground method. For the other one, I will remove the goods received document, and the remaining one I will execute it in background job, then remove test run, then go more, then program, then execute in background. Okay, immediate. Okay, so that's the background job. We can access it from SNX. That's the job. Okay, and it's finished. And also there is another way you can access the background job for more than system on job. Also, it will appear the same report. Okay, and that's the background job.